Hey, what's going on, San Diego? My name is Ben Bodie, owner of Incentive Solar, and I am so happy and proud to be in beautiful La Jolla, servicing this amazing community. And you always know you're in La Jolla because of the beautiful pools and just interesting aesthetic, appealing things like this roof has a metal roof combined with a shingle. It's just a very, very nice looking house out here in La Jolla. We've been serving La Jolla since 2013, so feel free to reach out to us. But look, if you're just getting into solar for NEM 3.0, I want to show you a couple key details of this solar project to help you understand what you're actually buying when you go solar. So on the roof where I'm at right now, the main components you're going to find up here are going to be your mounts and your rails to hold the solar panels on your roof. And then you're going to have all the electrical components like your microinverters or your optimizers, depending on what system you have, and all the electrical conduit to connect everything. So let's go ahead and walk down this array. This is just one of the arrays here at this site. We have 37 IQ8 pluses going on 37 QCell 400 watt solar panels. So we've got 2 rows of rails holding up each row of panels. So this is going down one of the arrays right here. And look, we've got to a point now where you see all the electrical wiring coming in, and now we've got some of the microinverters connected to the rails. And with this connection, this is basically where the panel is going to now receive all the sun rays and then use this device. This is your microinverter to convert those sun rays into energy to power your home. So the other array is down over here. So notice we've got conduit, and we always at Incentive Solar like to point out that we don't leave your roof looking ugly. We seal all the holes we put in to get the perfect layout. We also make sure we paint the conduit. As you see, this conduit has been painted dark to match the roof color here. But let's go ahead and go down to this other array we've got being built. I told you we're using the 400 watt solar panel. So here's the back. We'll show you exactly what we're using. I don't know if you can read that or not. But that's showing you the model. Here's the front of the panel. Really nice looking panel. Okay, so what you're gonna see right here are 2 amazing installers that take a lot of care when they're on your roof, and they're aligning the panels. And I got here, and I always come to the jobs to make sure that these installs are going as planned, because that's my job as the owner, is to protect your roof. And I've got really great installers that take pride in making sure that when they leave your roof, it's in better condition than it was when they got there, meaning they might have pointed out some things that they saw that didn't make sense. So check this out. We have my installer is just making sure that the edge of that panel is actually aligned to the roof and it's not hanging over. Just a lot of the care we put in at Incentive Solar to make sure your project is right the first time. So yeah, this is a 37 panel job. So we've got another array on the other side of that roof where that gentleman is right there. And between this array, the one over here, and the one over there, we fit 37 panels. And yeah, this customer is in La Jolla, and they are going to be moving forward knowing that they are protected from SDG&E rate hikes. They don't have to worry about paying all those import fees for all the energy that they have to import to get to your house. And that's a good feeling, because as you know, SDG&E is just sparking up their rates to about 13% each year, which means that $100 bill can become $115 bill, then $140, $160. Next thing you know, it's $200 to $300, and the price of solar has gone up tremendously because of all the credits going away. So go solar now. Even if you have to get a battery, don't worry about it. Net metering 3.0 is still better than SDG&E or staying on your utility. So give us a call. My phone number is 858-952-0252. And that again, I'm Ben Bodie, owner, Incentive Solar. Thank you so much for watching.